It's Sunday, no, December the 10th, and I think it was 40 degrees last night, and you can see a bit of frost. For some reason, this spot here has it's probably the coldest because seeing a bit of frost here. So, but then other spot I'm not seeing frost. Oh, well, I guess the glass tables also got frost too. Let's see. See that? It clears up after I spit that. Yeah. It was pretty cold last night. So even though I started the firewood, it's still it's nice and warm. There's still frost right over there, but let me check here. The leaves, yeah, it's pretty cold. Let's see. So the next few days can be pretty cold as well too. It's gonna be in low 40 as well. So we'll see. But that's a lychee right there. It's a lychee. Banana looks good so far. And these are turning orange now. This is honey tangerine, mandarin. And Cara is looks like it's turning color too. So I guess December is a month. The December and January are the month that's it. The sugar content is raised up on these citrus fruits. And tomato, it's still hanging in there. So frost. See the mango inside seems okay. Looks pretty good so far. Hey, she's stealing my parsley. So far the mangoes inside looks pretty good, the flowers. So we had rain, not very big rain, but this plastic greenhouse actually helps to prevent the flowers from getting wet. But this one, I don't have any protection other than the sun umbrella. And here's the flowers. Still pretty good, not that bad. So it looks like some kind of burn here. Might be the frost burn from last week that was in the low 40s, because these are the young tender leaves, the new leaves. but the older leaves seems to be unaffected. So we have, I hope this will be flowers for next year in a few months. Oh, coincidentally, I have a jackfruit here, seedling. It survived the cold winter last year, so seems to be doing okay right now. See, this is flowers for next year, maybe new growth. It looks like we're getting some new growth here too. It looks pretty good without much protection. Again, this part is the warmest part in the garden because it gets, early morning sunlight, and it gets also a lot of sunlight throughout the day. And that one is doing pretty good. And let's see my experimentations this year. I was trying to see if I could protect new growth this way using this plastic like this. So far the branches looks okay. It looks still green. Okay, and the one that doesn't get any protection is still doing good. So probably another 2 months to go. 2 more months of winter before it warms up. And Cherimoya is doing pretty good too. Okay, so here's the basil. This basil is doing pretty good too. It's still green. So let's go check out the basil that's inside the plastic greenhouse. Let's see. Oh yeah, this one, there's also no protection as well. It's mango. It's a manila. So this one I grafted a couple of years ago, and then lemon zest, and it just died back. It was really nice and big, but I grafted up too high or something, and it just basically died back. And all of these are now just the original root manila. I bought this from Costco, not Costco, H Depot about 10 years ago. So after 10 years, this is how big the trunk is. So it grows really slow in Northern California. And oh yes, I was gonna check out this basil inside this greenhouse. Is doing good too. So it's about the same as the one that I have out there that's not inside the makeshift plastic greenhouse. The mangoes, I can see some fruitlets, baby fruitlet now. Okay, it looks like this one I just picked, and it's soft here. Looks like it's the rain got to it, but let's see, it's really sweet though. Chicken here wants it too. She loves pomegranate. So this tree here is I didn't plant it. It's a volunteer plant, self-volunteer plant, and let's see, it's really sweet, and the seed is pretty soft. She likes the seed. So this one fruit here, look at that, it cracked. I don't know if it's ready yet. Let's try it. Might not be ready. It's not sweet. It's a bit sour. Unlike this one is ready. This is super sweet. Still edible. Not the moldy part though.